Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial we'll learn about linear pattern. This tool of SolidWorks is one of the most important tool and easy to use also. It helps to create a number of patterns from sketch entities in linear manner. That means if you have a hole in your model and you want to create certain number of holes with constant offset distance between them, then you can use linear pattern. This tool also allows to create pattern in both x and y direction. It's mainly located in Command Manager Sketch Tool section in SolidWorks user interface, and you can find linear pattern tool in the tools menu bar. Yeah, regarding this advantage of linear pattern is the main advantage is you have if you have multiple number of if you want to create a multiple number of patterns such as holes or something drills or any shape drill, then you can use linear pattern to multiply your holes. For example, if you have to drill 10 holes in the model with equal space, you don't panic, okay? And you can achieve it with linear pattern. So let's start. First of all, go to file. I don't have to tell this to you. And directly we'll go to sketch, go to top plane and sketch. Here sketch one rectangle. Okay, good dimension 200 and I'll put this 300. Okay, this is fully defined, and go to extruded boss base here, extrude up to 25 mm is okay for us right now. So this is our model, and here I'm going to make one hole here, and similarly I want a linear pattern in the x and y direction, this x direction and this y direction. I want to create a hole with equal spacing, equal offset distance between them. So first of all, I want to create one hole. Go to sketch. You can create a drill of any shape. Okay, let's go to circular here. Create here. Okay, go to smart dimension. A circular hole of diameter 20 mm and this 20 and this I'll keep 20. Then the sketch is also fully defined, and go to features and extruded cut here, and okay, sorry, clear this selection. It's automatically detects which area to cut, and okay, choose okay here. You can see a single hole is ready. Now I'm going to make a pattern in this x direction in that y direction. You can create a linear pattern in only one direction, but also you can create linear pattern in both x and y direction. So let's create linear pattern in both the directions. So go to linear pattern here, and you can find linear pattern in two places here. In one features here, linear pattern, okay, and here in sketch here, linear pattern. If you want to create a linear pattern of sketch, then you can go here, and if you want to go to the linear pattern of features, then you have to go here. So I'm going to create a linear pattern of cut here. This is not sketch, so go to linear pattern which is included in features. So direction 1, in which direction you want to keep. First of all, in direction 1 I like to keep in y direction here, and the separations between hole I'll keep 23 mm, but in reverse direction here. Look at here, this is with reverse direction. Okay, this is okay, and go to number of holes. I'll keep it. This is okay here, and in direction 2, you click this. Okay, and you keep 50 of 50 mm is equal spacing, and number 6, then it will, or it has automatically detected the feature which we are going to linear pattern. This is quad extrude 1. If it doesn't, then you can just go here, drop down menu, and click quad extrude here. So our linear pattern is ready. Just click this. Okay, this is the beautiful feature of SolidWorks, and it saves time, it's more efficient, you don't have to make single hole here. If linear pattern wasn't there, then all the day you have to create sketch and cut, and this will take a long time. So a linear pattern, this helped us to complete this model within a short period of time. So thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel for new videos, like, comment, and share. Thank you.